Welcome to Starlink. Today we're over in a place called Warrington and we've installed Starlink on the back of a property. Just go down this alleyway and show you what we've done. We've mounted this on a nice galvanised bracket on the back wall, so clear airspace all the way above it. Get a bit nearer. So there's your nice galvanised bracket, short mast, pole pipe adapter made by Starlink, solid as a rock. We brought the cable down behind the drain pipe, across, and it goes into the brickwork there. Now at the back of this wall is a big comms cabinet, and we're going to plug into that shortly. So this is Starlink over at Warrington on a lovely freezing cold morning.